must align also this button here, this selector or whatnot. I never had a Sony Ericsson this complex in my life, and it's kind of thrilling, except for the assembling part. Oh, okay, just slides here, just slides into place and stays there. Now the volume buttons as well. Make a Sony Ericsson sandwich. Hopefully. No? Okay. Come on now. You're pretty much in place. No, you are. Yes. Watch out. What's the problem here, Bob? Oh, it has a part here in which it goes in. Okay, now I see it. And now also put the power button back in place before I forget. If I can put it back in place now. Pliers. Yes. Apparently I did not have to tear apart the back panel, which I snapped in half like an idiot. All I had to do was to just simply unscrew these two screws. That was all. Good. Yes. It's in place, not for this. I think I have to put the plastic first. I don't know. Again, my first Sony Ericsson K850i. Wanna be repair. Oh, come on. Yes. Okay, and you now. Come on. Your next command. Yes. It would be awesome to put a transparent screen here, now if I think about it. Yeah, just as I thought. This will come after, but first I have to put this back. Good. Let's stick here, just good enough. Alright, have to put the door. Yeah, that kind of gets in better now. Well, what I didn't clean were these screws. I hope I don't regret it. Well, I did forget to put something back, but I don't know how this will affect it. I think I can just snap it in here. Or how? No. This is clearly not how it should be. I forgot this. Where did this was put in? I don't know. You know what? Just a label. the important phone information, but since keeping this phone mostly for fun, I don't think it will help me in any way. Well, let's see. Yeah, the close is good. Now before I will permanently put this broken back, time to test it. Hopefully it will work. Well, there we go now, it's in place. Please be good to me, please be good to me. Oh, come on. There we go. Yes, 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 oh my god, yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. Oh, oh. Wait, is this? Yeah, it's touch and it's working. No. Oh really? I won't let you die. And not today. Where's the charger? Where's the charger? Yes. No. Yes. Inactive SIM. Not a problem. Menu. Would you look at this? So yeah, it's not touch, it's just sensors here. Other than that, it's select. Your typical phone. I just have to try this. Cyber shot. The camera's working. Oh my god. Look at this. Yeah, I wonder. Ooh, I never had this phone. I don't know how it works. Let's see. Nice. Back. And if I turn it off, this button is also off button. So cool. Okay, well done, Sony Ericsson. Media. Back. I will format this phone. I don't want to see the previous owner data. Bluetooth track ID. Yeah. Let's see. 0. I'm testing to see if everything works. Everything works just fine. This phone only had a, sorry. Only had water problems, a cracked display, and that's it. And well, the poor body shell, in which, by the way, I did not put back. Yep. Locked. Well, time to, honestly, there's no way that I'm going to disassemble it to put this in it. I don't even know where this was. It was supposed to be back here. I don't know how. Whatever, I'm not going to put it. But I have to put the back plate. It's cracked, it's whatever, but this is how it will remain. This is my first ever advanced Sony Ericsson repair. My first. Don't get me wrong, I'm still a Nokia fan, but you know, admit it, you also like other phones besides Nokia. Well, Nokia is my true love, but yeah, now why not cheat sometime, you know? Yes, and yeah, now I have a perfectly functional Sony Ericsson, K850i. I'm so happy. So, thank you so much for watching. This was an adventure for me. Leave a like if you enjoyed it, or if you found it useful. Maybe you have one of these phones with problems, and maybe you have some idea on what you're getting into if you're interested in disassembling it. Oh, this is not a screen, this is a protective foil. I'm gonna leave it here for a while. Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my videos or find them useful. Hit that bell icon, you know, like this. And I'll see you in the next video. Have an awesome day, just like I am right now. Oh my god, I'm so proud of myself. Now I need a happy beer. Well, goodbye.